What's up guys, Mike Puma here with another Marketing Monday. If you have not done so already, smash that subscribe button for us, we really appreciate it. Alright, so in today's episode, I am going to walk through how to use Picplaypost. It's a free app in the App Store, so before we even get started, very first thing you want to do is go into the App Store, download the app, Picplaypost, all one word, it'll pop right up. Download that, it's free. Once you've done that, what Picplaypost is going to allow you to do is actually edit practically any video, anything you've shot on your phone, or even rip videos off YouTube and edit them so you can post them across all the different social platforms. Why is that important? Well, let's say you did a listing video, you shot the whole house and it's 4 or 5 minutes long. But you want to put it on Instagram. You only have 60 seconds in the feed, 15 seconds in story. You could use Picplaypost to take a 15 or a 60-second cut of that 5-minute video and post it all right from the app. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. First thing you're going to do is go into the app, which is already on my phone. Hopefully it's on yours too. And you're going to open the app. Once it opens, you're going to hit the big blue button that says New Project. And that is going to open up 3 options. Today we're going to go through the create a movie or slideshow, so you're going to select that. Now once you do that, it's going to give you the option to choose what format you want to put it in. If you are doing this clip for Instagram stories, for example, you would click the top left, which is the vertical, 9:16, or you could do a full screen for Instagram feed, which would be the 4:5. That's what we'll do here. So once you do that, now all we have to do is pull in the media that we want to use. So in this example, I'm going to hit the blue plus button down here, and I'm going to click full screen. And now I have the option. I can either pull video or photos from my phone that are sitting in my camera roll, or I can even hit moments up top here, and it's going to give me a bunch of other options. So for this example, I'm actually going to rip off YouTube, and I can search YouTube now. So I'm just going to search the BE3 real estate channel. And when I do that, all the YouTube videos that we have immediately pop up right here. So I'm just going to select the top one. It's going to allow me to preview it, and then I'm going to hit use in the top right. So first thing you're going to notice here is that the video says end 2 minutes and 25 seconds. So this is a 2-minute and 25-second video. Now, if I'm posting this on Instagram in the feed, I only have 60 seconds, or for stories, I only have 15 seconds. So if I want to take a much smaller cut of this is exactly why we have the app. So this is how easy this is. All I'm going to do is scroll to the point here on the bottom where I want my video to end. So I have a nice little outro here where our logo is. So I'm actually going to scroll right to the end of that. Let's see. Oh, too far. So I'm going to scroll back right here, and I'm going to hit end. And just like that, I took a 2-minute and 25-second video and was able to reduce it down to 26 seconds. I'm going to hit use, and it's going to pull it right into the app. Okay, so now that I've got it in the app, you're going to see a bunch of options here. I can add text to it, right? I could add filters. So if I don't like the coloring of the video, I don't like the way my hair looked, whatever the case is, just like anything else, you can add filters. So I could actually come in here, select it, and it'll automatically change the color of everything. So I like this video just the way it is, so I'm going to keep it original. Hit the little green check box when you're done, and you're good to go. You can add voiceover if you need to add voiceover to a video. You can do pretty much anything you need to do. It gets pretty complex. This is a very simple way to use it though, and I think this is a good use case for most people. So once I'm done, I'm happy with it. All I'm gonna do now is top right, hit the share button, and you can customize the watermark in the bottom right corner so it doesn't say Picplaypost. You do have to pay, I don't even know what it is, I think it's like $3 or something. If you don't care though, you can just hit continue with watermark, and right from the app, I can put this into my Instagram, Facebook Messenger, I can text it, I can email it, I can save it to my phone. I can do any of those things right from the app. So in this case, I would just hit camera roll, save it, and it's gonna load and it's done. It's on my camera roll, right? So just like that, you were able to take a 2-minute and 25-second video, cut it down to 26 seconds, and then post it wherever you want to post it, or save it right to your phone. So that's how powerful the app is. If you get to use it and you have questions, feel free to DM us on Instagram, shoot me a message on Facebook. We're happy to help in any way we can. Otherwise, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next week.